Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to talk about fish farm. Okay, so this is fish farm wherein you can also make 8% daily, and I would say the contract balance in here is pretty much bigger than other projects. Okay, and like what I've said, okay, the strategy is very simple. It is just 6 to 1 strategy. And if you're looking for an alternative that has a lower development tax, then definitely this one is for you. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please go forward down below. Do please subscribe into my channel. This is Crypto Addict in here, back again with new content every single day, and we're going to review every single comment that you've put in our TikTok. Like, can you review about Avax Fish Farm? Is this good? So actually, let's try this one right now. Okay. So again, this is Avax Fish Farm. Okay, let me just adjust it for you guys. So this is Avax Fish Farm, and you can start for us maybe as 0.1 AVAX, 0.2 AVAX. You can start for a really small amount if you just want to like test it first. If this like this farming project or this farming DeFi is for you, but if you don't like it too, of course it is your choice. Again, um, this is not a financial advice. Of course, do not invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, do not use any of these videos or materials that we have. Okay, for you to make an investment decision or anything. Okay, I'm just sharing my stuff that I do in cryptocurrency. If you want it, then research it first. Okay, but because I love making as much as possible big percentages. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I will hire 0.5 AVAX. So sadly, okay, this can't be shown in the what they call that, in our screen, because we are window sharing. So the gas fees are not being shown. Like, I actually like click the transaction, but yeah, okay. So as being seen, the AVAX that I have is just, hold on, man. I think this is the right one. Okay, so as you can see, we got a fishing power which is 40 fishing power, and as being mentioned in here, um, there's even an audit in this one. So yeah, okay. Then it's been said. Okay, this is audited by Hayes Crypto. So the rating is 2.5, but of course, the reason why that's the rating is because of the high issues, because the ROI is pretty much fast. Okay, but actually, if you are rehiring, like doing the 6 to 1 strategy, what they call that, your ROI is around 6 to 8 weeks. That's like the estimate, and this is very easy to navigate with. I will be putting the link into the description box below, so that if you like it, okay, just feel free to open it. Okay, that's the legit one, not the phishing website or anything. And of course, the good thing here is, yeah, like what I'm saying to you, 8% daily ROI, pretty much big, and the development tax is just 3%. So, okay, let's go into the contract. We've seen here that there's $300,000, man. So, I would say that's a big amount of money if you're going to ask me. Like DeFi, and it looks like a lot of people are doing the same strategy, man. Like rehiring, hold on, like rehiring, okay, hiring, rehiring. Okay, some people are selling. Some people are even hiring 10 AVAX, 32 AVAX. You can see, and The good thing here is, of course, it's paying. It's paying you. When the project is not being, if you cannot execute like a transaction, like selling or rehiring inside the project, then that's probably rug pull. But if you are able to do a transaction, I think it's not. Okay, I think it's not. So, um, this is powered by Avalanche, Avax, and of course they do have a Telegram and Twitter account in here. Okay, so this is Avax Fish Farm. So they just started as well this year. Okay, this year, this month, and there's a lot of people that are creating contents about Avax, and I would say, in my case, what do they call that? This is awesome because they do have this reward chances, right? Like 120% rewards, 35 chance. The other one, this one is earn base rewards. So this is different from baked beans. So I think they are like trying to mix it up with like a new strategy, which is kind of like thrilling, I would say. And of course, the best thing here is the contract is there. Okay, the balance is big, so um, you will actually like what they call that, be thinking or like um, what is the right word for that? Being curious if like there's a project and then there's just like five AVAX in there, like what, right? So I would say there's a lot of investors too. So 147 for investors with and 280 2,830 times are the fish is hard. So this is pretty much simple to do, guys. Okay, you reinvest it. Okay, 6 to 1 strategy. You rehire it 6 times a week. You sell it 1 time a week. So that's 6 to 1, and that actually helps you to be able to make or to maintain the daily ROI that you're getting, because if you keep on selling, the percentage are getting lower, and that's how this contract is working. Okay, every time people sell, boom, the daily ROI is getting lower. So this is protecting as well the community and for those people who are in long term. And of course, if you keep on selling, your profits will be lower on a short term and also in a long term basis. So again, not a financial advice. Again, this is Fish Farm Money. I will be putting it into the description box below so that you will be able to start if you want this project as well. I mean, in my case, I've been with different forks of baked beans. Um, I would say I would love to play the probability game wherein I'm going to put, instead of like putting let's say $5,000 in one project, I will split it into like 500 on each project, so that whatever happens, I mean, you're protected. Okay, it's not like all of those 10 are going to like fail or something, right? So again, this is Crypto Addict here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.